Hi students, today we are going to learn theoretical concepts of operating system. Software. Software means set of instructions. These instructions tell a computer what to do. It interacts with the hardware to create output. Software classified into two types. They are application software, system software. Application software means a set of programs used to perform specific tasks. Otherwise, this application program designed for end users. Example, MS Word and VLC player. If you want to type something or if you want to create a text document, you can create using MS Word. Like if you want to see a video, you can open VLC player and see a video. So these are the softwares designed specially for end users. This is called it as application software. System software is designed to provide a platform for other softwares. Example, operating system and language processor. So, operating system is designed to run the computer hardware and also application programs. Operating system acts as an interface between the user and a computer. Operating system controls all the devices connected to the computer. File management, memory management, process management and device management, these are some functions of operating system. When a computer is switched on, the operating system is loaded into the memory automatically. Without operating system, computer cannot manage all those resources effectively. Windows, Unix and Linux are some of the popular operating system for personal computers. Android and mobile OS are the operating systems for mobile devices. Operating system manages and controls all the hardware parts. It gives GUI interface to make the user work with application software. Here we have to see some uses of operating system. First one, it gives assurance. That means it fulfills the user expectations. Next, it makes the interaction easy between the user and the computer. The process will automatically start when the computer gets power. It controls input and output devices. The system manages the usage of main memory and also provides security to the user programs. Operating system classified into two types. They are single user operating system, multi-user operating system. Single user operating system, example MS-DOS. This type of operating system allows to perform a task at a time. Multi-user operating system, example Windows, Linux and Unix. This type of operating system allows multitask at a time. That means same data and applications can be accessed by multi-users at the same time.